support us coming here. I think it's really, really wrong that we have started a war for no reason and that we're not coming out. I don't believe in this war. I think it's injustice. And it's not fair for the children in Iraq to be suffering this.
I was an ROTC here in Seattle. So I joined out of a sense of idealism and wanted to serve my country. I was there for the initial invasion and then returned to Fort Lewis, took command of a company here and took them back in 2004 and 2005. So these younger kids represent the targeted group for recruiters. These are the next individuals, the next people to don the uniform. So they're here to. It's an important step for them because they want recruiters not to have easy access to their schools or their college campuses, and to be the source for continuing this occupation.